Hi, my name is Marta. I'm from Spain. I'm 25 years old. I'm here with Step Beyond Borders, that project. Okay, so about my project, I'm here in a school, in Dream School, teaching the children. That school is a school for the people who can't pay a private school, so they can come here for free. Forgive to all of that children opportunity for have a future with, with education, etc. So I'm here for teach them. I teach maths, English, and sometimes we make games as well. Second one, how was my experience here? I was here for 1 month and it was amazing because that children never went to school, never, so they don't have limits. They want the things right now, so you have to, only have to stay here for teach them maths or English. You have to teach them put limits, to be patient, to don't push another one if they're frustrated. So you have to do more than teaching maths. How was my experience in India? For me, it was amazing. It was amazing, it was hard as well, but for me that's the beautiful things of that type of trips. If it's only beautiful like in a dream, it's not a good travel, it's not a good trip, because with the problems, you learn so much about you, and right now, look at me, I'm another person. India is amazing, the people from here is amazing, you're learning about so much about the cultures. You have to adapt it. That's very important, because if you think the other ones have to adapt it for you, that's not the way. You have to adapt it to their culture, and that's amazing. How was the local support? It was amazing. It was amazing because, for example, 2 days ago I had to stay in the hospital 1 day, all the day, entire day there. I was scary because I was sick in India. You are not with your family, but I feel the support of my coordinators here. So I felt very safe. So for me, that's so important. What would you recommend to the new volunteers? Okay, first of all, to that school, please. It's not it's not a normal school like I told you. This is a little bit more chaos than in Europe and another schools, of course. So first of all, here the teachers don't teach for all of them the same thing. No. All is individual, that's why it's so hard, because some in the class don't know how to identify the numbers, but some of them know how to subtract an addition. That's why the level is so different, so you have to try to adapt to that. For example, how I adapt to that situation is make in my home, in the apartment, different exercise from all of them. Different. That's why when I give it to them, they are more focused, more concentrated in their own exercises. Because if you try to teach them the same thing, not all of them have the same level. So that's my recommended for you. As well, enjoy oil. Enjoy the dangers for cross the streets. Enjoy the people thinking that you have money. That's funny, really, because they think about it. It's like when someone rich comes to Spain as well, we think the same. So that's the same culture, but more hard. So enjoy it because the people here are so nice, and they are more happy. They are happy with the little things they have, and that's amazing. With one smile, with one ball, they are happy. So enjoy it and good luck.